Hey guys, you're watching Lightning Rocket, and today I'll be showing you how to make these really cute and cool box cats from Perler Beads. The beads you'll be needing for this project are light gray, dark gray, white, black, a bit of pink and green, and here you can see me laying out the front panel of the face of our cat. Also, this model is my very first experience using mini beads. I personally loved the build process, not only because they're small, but also because the end result is so cute. Also, here is the side panel, and make sure to make 2 of these pieces because they go on either side. The cool thing is that this normal sized cat is going to be pretty large, but the mini bead one is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Also keep in mind that this model does use 1500 beads or 1500 beads. Also, this is the back panel to which we will attach the tail. I think that this model is a great puzzle, not only just because you made it, but because it's pretty big and the pieces snap together really well. Also, this is the head of our cat, to which we will attach the ears. Here I've assembled the bottom plate of our cat. Make sure to iron all the pieces on 2 sides to make them bond well with each other. If you're wondering what colors I use and where I get them, I'll link them down in the description. Also, here are the first parts of our cat's legs. Here is the second part of our cat's legs. And this is the final base of our cat's feet. Now we're laying out all of the front decals of the face. And here is the nose of our cat, along with some parts for the ears. Here we're assembling some parts for the ears. Actually, it's not some parts, it's actually the last part right here. And now we're going to start building the whole tail. Here is the first part of the tail, which is going to be holding up the whole tail. This is going to be right at the back of the cat. Now this is the part that's going to be going into the cat so that it holds up the whole tail into the cat. This is the main connector. And for the very last part of the tail, this is the part that goes right over the body of our cat. And now it's time to assemble. Now that you've made all the pieces and ironed them, it's time to assemble. So first you're going to take this front panel and both of these 3 bead pieces, and you're just going to put them into this hole right here and on the same hole on the other side of the cat. Now you're going to take its big white piece and we're just going to put it right on there. And now we're just going to take the nose with the pink parts and we're just going to put it into the hole right above. Now, we take one of the side panels of our cat with the long beads, and we're going to put them in right here and into the exact same place but with the cat flipped around, like so. Now we're going to take the back panel with these 2 dark gray beads at the bottom, and we just slap them in right here. And we take the top with this elongated piece at the top, and we just put it in, like I'm showing you right here. Now we're just going to flip the cat right around to the bottom, and we're going to take its belly and we put it in, making sure all the connectors match up. Now we're going to take these heart-shaped pieces, also these pretty weird shaped pieces which look a bit like headphones, not headphones, I meant earphones, and we're just going to take them and we can just put them in, making sure that this double bead is facing the back. This is going to be connector for the heart-shaped pieces. Now we're just going to repeat the step. And now we take the heart-shaped pieces and we put them into here, like so. And right into the other side. Now we're going to grab these Y-shaped pieces, and making sure that the opening of the Y is facing the front, we put them in. And we repeat the step on the other side. And now our ears are finished. Now that we flipped the cat around onto its belly, we take its weird shaped pieces and we're just going to put it into here. Then right onto the other side. And then we're just going to repeat it with the opposite side as well. Now that it's in, for the final piece. Also make sure that the white beads are at the bottom. Now we're going to take these 2x3 beads with these gray beads sticking out, and of course making sure that this white bead is facing the bottom, we put it in. Also making sure that the standing out gray bead is going out, we're going to apply the next piece, like so. And then we're just going to repeat the step on the opposite facing side, like this, and the same thing again, like that. Now we're going to take these dark gray pluses, and we're going to put them into this, here, and into the remaining holes up top. Like so. Our cat's almost finished, with only a few pieces left to go. The tail, of course, because what's a cat without a tail? Now we just grab both of these pieces. Also make sure to pause the video whenever I'm showing them to you so that you can see. Now line them up. And we're going to take this small square and we're just going to put it into this hole. Now we take these 1x2 beads and we put them there, there, and into the same holes on the other side. Now one of our pieces of tail are finished. Now we're going to take the piece that is going to be going into the cat, and now we line it up like so, and we take these 1x2s and stick them into the holes like as we did with the previous piece. Like so. And for the very last part of the cat, we're going to line it up. And we're going to be needing 6 1x2s for this piece. And we put them into there, there, here, and into the remaining 3 holes on this side. Like this. Now that we have 3 pieces of the tail, we put them in, making sure that the part that goes into the cat is at the bottom, and making sure it forms an L shape. We take the top with the square and we stick it in, of course, in the top. Now we're going to take the end of the bottom and we're going to put it into a 2x4 hole, like so. And now we're done. Also, congratulations on finishing this model. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next video.